All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set that we just had done for a customer. 10 top, 10 bottom teeth. Okay, now this is 925 sterling silver, which means it is 92.5% pure silver. Now, these are custom fitted using the actual mold of the customer's teeth, so it's a perfect fit. And also, these are the permanent cuts. So if you look closely in between each tooth, you'll see vertical cuts. Okay, now that is to give the teeth more definition. It's called permanent cuts or perm cuts. All right, it's a beautiful grill set, guys, available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out. Here's the back side. It just snaps right on the teeth, guys. There's no silicone mold needed, anything like that. You just snap it on, stays on real nice and tight. And they're removable, so you can take them off whenever you want. There it is, guys. Thank you for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.